So you want a revolver for self-defense purposes, but the 38 Special Plus Ps and 357s, just a little too much for you. And you need to make sure that you have enough power to put a bad guy on his knees. Today we're going to take a little bit closer look at the Ruger LCR and 22 mag. Yep, we're back. Well, like I said in the beginning, if you have problems with grip strength, or you have arthritis, or maybe you've had some type of carpal tunnel injuries or surgeries or things like that, and you just don't have the grip strength to be able to control the recoil of the heavier 38 Special Plus Ps or even 357s, the 22 Magnum is a fantastic alternative. Now, as I'd covered in other videos, like we looked at the NAA Pug and the 22 Magnum, the 22 Mag caliber is a very formidable caliber. So a lot of people think, well, it's a 22, it's not going to do anything. Look up some reviews on the actual ballistics of the 22 Magnum, and I think you'll be impressed. So one of the things you might notice when you look up the ballistics and data on this is the 22 Magnum has a 30% increase in power over the 22 long rifle and has a 20% decrease in felt recoil over 38 Special. So that might give you a good gauge of where this sits. So if you go into your local shop and you're looking for an LCR and 22 Magnum and the shop doesn't carry it, which a lot of shops don't even carry a whole lot of revolvers anymore, if they happen to have any of the LCR series, it's nice to know that they're all based on the same platform and they have the same size and dimensions. With an overall length of 6.5 inches, height of 4.5 inches, and a 1.87 inch barrel. All the LCRs are built with the same basic design, which includes a stainless cylinder, barrel insert, a monolithic frame, and a polymer fire control housing and a pinned front sight. Now the one thing that will vary slightly on these is the weight. The 22 Magnum we tested today came in at about 14.5 ounces, which isn't real bad for a carry gun. Thanks for watching another episode of Wheelgun Wednesdays. If you like what you saw, smash that little bell down there, give me some feedback, and let me know what you want. Thanks, see you next Wednesday.